How to use Binance app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use Binance app, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now Binance basically has two types of interface. One is a light interface, the other is a pro interface. And if you are a beginner, which I'm assuming you are, I would recommend you stick to the light one for a little bit of data. So once you open the Binance app, tap on this little option, you can see Binance Pro. You can switch to Binance Pro if you want, but I'm going to be teaching you based on this little option over here, which is the Binance Lite. Now right here, when you're on the market tab over here, you'll be able to see all the value of cryptocurrency that are currently increasing. So BNB, Bitcoin and Ethereum has increased since the last day, and the other ones such as Book of Meme has decreased and other cryptocurrencies has decreased, right? If you go to the Square tab, you'll be able to see and discover the following: the news about the crypto, the academy, and whatever else it is that you would like to learn about. This little button here indicates what you want to do. So if you want to buy crypto, you can tap on this option. If you want to sell crypto, you can tap on it. If you want to convert and exchange one coin for another with zero fee, you can select that. You can deposit with fiat and cryptocurrency if you would like to deposit money over here. If you come to the Discover tab, you will be able to earn, and you will see the rewards calculator depending upon the estimated rewards in 3 years. There you can see a launch pad, and there you can also see trading as to what are the trades that are currently going on. If you come to the portfolio tab, it is basically just anything that you own. So you'll be able to see the crypto that you own, the withdraw tab, the deposit tab, and whatever else it is that you can see over here, you'll be able to find them. And that's all it takes to use the Binance app. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.